after 2 years of lockdown uncertainties, 2022 must be shaping up to be a big recovery year for the stock market. Hold your horses. It may not be as simple as that. The road may not be so straight. The recovery route may involve detours and reroutes. So here we are in Crossroads, the 2022 market outlook.
Context. Of course, if we need to look at crypto and stocks, we need to see their performance. So if we look at the 2021 performance, some interesting things are to notice that the cryptocurrency market actually tripled, and the whole market cap of the crypto market now is at $2.23 trillion. And I'm sure many of us Filipinos are familiar with Axie Infinity. So this one registered an insane 12,000% increase in 2021. Some of the meme stocks also came about, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was actually the top performer in 2021 with 42 million% increase. Personally, I can't stomach the volatility, so I don't have cryptocurrency. But to sum it up, I would say that these are all different asset classes. So you have crypto, you have stocks, you have bonds, cash, commodities, preferred stocks, or even alternative assets like metals. These are all different asset classes, and one has to really assess your own risk profile, your risk appetite, your investment objectives, and create your balanced portfolio which matches your own investment goals. I would recommend that you learn about and experiment with both. So, you'll never learn until you get into it yourself, and you might lose a little bit of money in both, or you might also make money, but the difference between just watching and paper trading compared to real trading is really huge.
Hi, Sir Lawrence.
Hi.
Good afternoon. So, Sir Lawrence, bago ka mag-start ng yung talk, what will you choose between long flight, long drive, or couch for life?
I'll choose long drive. But I prefer not to be the one driving. I'll just be the passenger.
Just sitting.
So, in a nutshell, the index is currently below a major resistance line. So that level is at 7,700. If we can go above 7,700, then the outlook would become positive. But if not, our stance would still be to sell into rallies. As long as the market does not break 6.9, the rally should remain intact. But if it breaks 6,900, then that would potentially signal further losses for the market.
And Sir Nikki, hello.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Couch potato. Is it long drive or long flight? Anong pipiliin mo?
Couch potato.
Sabi mo. Bakit ba nahulaan ko?
Crossroads, navigating change in 2022. The title is Crossroads because, as we all know, the nation itself is at a crossroads with the May elections coming up in May 9 to be exact. So with this in mind, we remember that politics is business and business is politics. They both affect each other. So it's going to be a very important event for the country and even for the stock market in general. the market was generally weaker than what we expected because of earnings, which did not meet expectations. Vaccination was actually faster than what we anticipated, but still well below the average for our ASEAN peers. Now, for earnings, what we like to point out, there's going to be strong EPS growth for the market this year. However, Bloomberg consensus shows that only 17 out of 28 PSEi companies will reach or exceed 2019 recurring profit levels. However, with interest rates rising, we believe that net interest margins will eventually move back up. Again, most metrics are moving in the right direction. NPLs are falling. Loan growth is improving. And we don't think that loan demand is going to be hurt significantly even in a rising interest rate environment. Broadly rating. We are overweight on banks, consumer retail, and energy, and we are underweight on conglomerates and property. Our top trades are, as you can see there, switching from AC Energy to SPNEC, Wilcon to Home, BPI to BDO, Ali to SM Prime, and then JGS and AE to GTAC.
Normally, the offer price will be a major resistance. If Keeper currently it's below 150, so 150 would remain a significant resistance. Many people will be trying to get out at a slight loss or at break even. So you have a huge natural resistance at 150. Still okay. We are still probably good for one more rally. Not sure. As long as the 6,900 level holds, then the market should still be healthy enough to make a bounce. But I would be a seller if the market reaches close to 7,700 level. I don't think the market can break 7,700 in a big way. So that's an exit level for me.
So it's probably premature to say whether it's really going to be dilutive. It might even be accretive for the company. We don't know at this point because it really depends on the valuation that will be assigned to both SPNEC and to the other companies in the portfolio of the parent company. But that being said, having dealt with the company, and knowing that they left a lot of money on the table with regard to the IPO. They priced it at one. Our price target is 196, but there's really a lot of scope for upgrade in our target price now. So that's what I mean when I say na they left a lot of money on the table with regard to the IPO. So I would have to say that I'm confident that the pricing of the share swap will be very fair, and I believe that it will be friendly to the minority shareholders of SPNEC. But I would like to say that even though we see a more challenging view for 2022 compared to our outlook 12 months ago, there are always opportunities in the market, and we will always be on the lookout for these opportunities so that um, we can guide you, our clients, on what to do and where to invest your money. And hopefully, as in previous years, our stock picks will outperform the market as a whole.